Huh? I remember I was playing beer pong and we were rapping.
You were rapping? You were rapping?
We were rapping. Yeah.
Do you even know why we have this party?
But Jordan's passed out at.
Passed out.
She's passed out.
You're passed out too. I think you're puke tonight, right?
Really? I hope so.
If you do, I get to wax your balls.
Oh, really? But make sure you use duct tape. Really? With your teeth?
My mouth.
I hope you use wax on my balls. That'll hurt so much worse.
And then you and Jordan can get waxed together.
Yeah, me and Jordan can wax together. We can be like, what?
We gotta get down the stairs, nigga.
We can wax your
Go, go.
Frankie, we can wax your butts together in like one part.
Don't do that. We can have like glue it together with duct tape. We like 1, 2, 3. We'll give like
Frankie, I'll put wax on my dick and stick it in your ass.
Ah, no. Fuck. No, we both put a patch on our. And we're gonna count to 1, 2, 3, and we'll rip it off.
What? What just happened?
I just gotta put wax on my dick and stick it in his ass.
No. No. That's kind of gay right there.
Frank, you are gay. Don't worry.
Fuck no, my eyes.
I know.
Drink another one.
You're like